Let's walk through how to use the Resize feature on Caimera's Editorial Images tool. Say you've just generated an image, but now you need it in a specific dimension. The Resize tool lets you adjust your canvas. To begin, head to the top left toolbar and select the Resize tool. When you click it, the transform controls will pop up around your image. At the bottom, you'll find a set of preset aspect ratios, perfect for quick format swaps. On the right side of that, there's a custom field where you can enter a custom width and height. If you need to start over, use the reset button to instantly restore your canvas to its original dimensions. On the far right, you'll see two final options: back to editor, to exit without saving, and apply, to confirm your changes. You can expand your canvas in all four directions, up to 2K resolution, giving you plenty of room to refine your layout. And that's how you resize editorial images with precision and ease on Caimera.